everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the National Flag of Indonesia. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kaye and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a horizontal bicolor of red and white. This is a very simple design and is easy to draw from memory. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. The flag was officially adopted in 1950 when the country gained independence from the Netherlands. The colors are said to date back to the banner of the Majapahit Empire, which ruled over Indonesia in the 13th century. It's also suggested that the colors date further back and were used throughout the greater Southeast Asia region, and many countries in the region use red and white. A couple of modern interpretations exist as to the symbolism of the colors. The most common is that the red symbolizes the physical body and the white symbolizes the soul. Together, they make up the whole human being. Another interpretation was given by the first president of Indonesia, Sukarno. He stated that the red stood for courage and the white stood for purity. One less likely idea is that the flag was derived from the Dutch flag. It's believed by some that the blue was torn off because it represented the Dutch aristocracy, and the red and white colors that remained were used as the Indonesian flag. While the flag gets marks for using traditional colors, we didn't find any official documentation as to the color's modern meaning, so the flag loses some marks due to this confusion. For this principle, the flag scores 6 out of 10. The flag has 2 colors. Those are red and white. Both colors are part of the standard set. There is good contrast between these 2 colors. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. The flag has no lettering, seals, or coat of arms. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. The flag has a huge problem when it comes to this principle. The flag looks very much like that of Poland. Though the colors are reversed, these 2 flags are very confusing. But it gets much worse. That's because the flag is virtually identical to that of Monaco. The flag's proportions are different and the shade of red is different, but otherwise these flags are the same. Though Monaco is a tiny principality, it's also classified as a sovereign country. Monaco's flag is older, which means the Indonesian flag loses all its marks here. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. So now we've reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the National Flag of Indonesia, we get a final score of 7.2 out of 10.